Mailchimp campaign tutorial, how to set up an email campaign. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an email campaign via Mailchimp. So if you haven't logged in yet to your account, just go to mailchimp.com and you'll be able to see a page where you need to provide email information and stuff like that. Just go ahead and input them and then create an email or a Mailchimp account rather. So today we're going to create a campaign, an email campaign to be exact, and there is a way to do that here in Mailchimp. You can do that manually by creating it on your computer, but it takes a lot of work to send them to people you know, and not only people you know, but to your prospects, your potential customers. So there are a lot to consider when you want to start up a campaign. So this is some of the things that you know according to Mailchimp's guide before you can start sending out a campaign or doing a campaign. First is that you need an audience. So get started with your audience. You can't run a campaign without people who actually are watching about it or who actually are looking at it. So you'll first need to have an audience. And an audience is, it defines according to MailChimp, is a place for you to collect and manage your contacts. So not only it is pertaining to people, but it is also talking about the place for you to collect and manage for your contacts in MailChimp. And how does a contact define in MailChimp? It is someone whose email is stored in your account, and a contact's email marketing status determines what kind of content you can share with them. Statuses include subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, cleaned, and archived, stuff like that. So these are the things that you should know before starting your email marketing. So let's pretend that we already have an audience. So maybe these people are people who purchased from us before. Now I've decided that I'll become these clothing line of one of my friend, and I'll pretend that I'll be generating or I'll be sending out a campaign to my past customers using Mailchimp. So maybe I found a way for them to gather information about them, about my customers, based on email, maybe for shipping purposes, you know. So now I have all their emails with me, and now I'm going to launch a campaign about my new line of products that they might be interested in because they made a purchase with me before. So now I'm going to name my campaign new maybe a tech jacket, yeah, tech jacket new collection. So that's what I'm gonna name my campaign, and let's click begin for us to see what's gonna happen next. All right, so once you click begin, I guess we'll be headed to the editing page where we can actually edit now our email, and then here we go, send it to our contacts. Okay, now this is just the draft. Now you'll be able to fill these details up for when you already have contacts added to your Mailchimp account. But for now, I don't have any contact yet, and I can either import now, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to do that yet. But this is just basically a tutorial on how to create an email content when using Mailchimp, because you know, who knows, some of the editors might look different when you're editing under a traditional editor, but there are some tools that we need to familiarize ourselves with when it comes to Mailchimp. So now it's actually new. We have a classic builder and a new builder. This one is the beta feature, and I'm not sure if what are the limitations because it's still beta, so we're not sure. But let me just go ahead and click it on for the sake of trying it, because there's nothing wrong with trying beta features anyway. Let's click the new build. It might lag at some point, but I hope it works just fine. All right, so it's now loading up the page that we asked for it to load up. Okay, so now let's add in here our logo. Or maybe I can just, okay, I'm gonna just input the text right here, I think. not. Or maybe just put in set logo here. All right. I have a couple of images over here that I can just crop and then just put it in for the sake of the logo. Let me just try and crop this. Okay. All right, it's important to add your logo when you're sending out emails like this, campaign emails, because it's the first thing people see over here. So, people might wonder who is this product and what can it offer me, stuff like that. And I'm gonna just go ahead and crop it. Let's move it right here. Okay, I think this is all right now. I think it's readable, right? Oh, well, there you go. And let me move around that part. Can I do that? All right, this one's okay. It doesn't work, so let me just put it back to where it was. There you go. So this will be our logo now. It's time to design our email. So the content can either be a collage of, the collection, the new collection that we have, but apparently I can just add one, photo. Maybe like a teaser. Let's try to add in another photo. Let's upload from downloads again. And I'm gonna just select a campaign, like maybe a teaser, one of, let me just add this one looks pretty nice. Okay, it's uploading. There you go. So maybe one of the photos from our collection will do. Okay, so now I'm gonna change this to new product line alert, and maybe add in like discounts, huge discounts for the first 50 orders, something like that. First 50 orders. Sounds definitely something like this. And add in more. Maybe you can add in more content by telling us about what the product is. So you can start to type it in here. So maybe you can start with our product is now made with the latest in most revolutionary water resistant material, something like that, and the like. So you can think of your wordings, craft it in a way that it sounds promising, at the same time you're promoting your product line. And and after that, you can change this button. You can add the button text to, can either now visit page, visit shop, maybe, because maybe some people are forgetting to check your shop. So maybe you can link in here, visit shop, and then once you do that, you can link them to this web address right over here. For example, your Shopify shop, or if you have another website aside from a Mailchimp landing page and stuff like that. So that's basically how you create set up an email campaign on Mailchimp, you guys. So after this, it's up to you to now continue and then send to people that you are connected with or your audience. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been helpful. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and see you again in the next video. Peace out.